Chris, thank you. The jury is set in Alex Murdaugh's murder trial, now underway. For the first time, prosecutors laying out their evidence on why they believe Murdaugh killed his wife and youngest son. At times, Murdaugh got emotional yesterday as his remaining family members entered the courtroom. Wake Up Charlotte's Colleton Hagwood has more on what was said during the trial's opening statements.
Let's walk you through what happened on day 3 of trial. Jurors finally getting seated. Here's a look at the makeup of that jury. 8 women and 4 men will decide if Alex Murdaugh is guilty of killing his wife and son in June of 2021. Now, of the 12 jurors, 2 were black women. The others appeared white, with most seeming to be between the ages of 30 and 60 years old. Now, during opening statements, prosecutors began laying out their case against Murdaugh, accusing him of shooting his wife and son in the head with a shotgun and AR-style rifle. But the defense argues their evidence is mostly circumstantial, saying if Murdaugh had committed the crime, he would have been drenched in blood, but that wasn't found when he was.
The evidence is going to show that the defendant, Alex Murdaugh over there, told anyone who would listen that he was never at those kennels. But the evidence is also going to show from these things that every one of us, most of us carry around in our pockets, that he was there.
Now, the cell phone records, and you're going to hear this from their own experts, are incomplete. They're incomplete. And we submit one of the reasons they're incomplete. And by the way, how do they find Maggie's phone? They found it by using Find My iPhone. And the way they did that, they had to open it or have access. Who gave them the code to open the phone?
Now, Murdaugh's son Buster was in the courtroom. He's one of the witnesses who could potentially testify in this case. We'll see if we hear from him today. Starting at 9:30, we're expecting to hear from investigators first who were at that crime scene, and we'll bring you those details. Reporting here in Colleton County, I'm Colleton Hagwood.